Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm in Bangkok, Chiang Mai in Phuket. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so you are doing this volunteering by yourself?
Yes.
Okay. Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in Bangkok and I'm going for an action-packed day. So today I'm going for some shooting practice with my friend. So we'll be going to a shooting club which is like 45 minutes outside the city. It's close to the Don Mueang airport, and he's a member of that association, Thai Shooting Association. Over there I might be shooting, I'll be firing some pistols like Glock or Colt. Then there could be some rifles as well. There will be a coach who will be teaching how to shoot and how to handle a gun and everything. So it's going to be an action-packed day. So without wasting any time, let's hit the go. So after driving for like 45 minutes or somewhere like an hour outside the city of Bangkok, we have reached to this shooting range. I forgot the name of this shooting range. I'll just write it in the description, and probably you can hear it in the background, that gunshots. So it's a bit exciting. So let's go inside and see what it's all about.
$250 ไม่ใช่ว่าเราไม่อยากยิงนะแต่ถ้าแบบเรายิงทุกวันอ่ะจนอ่ะโดนตายเลย
Magazine in. Grip. Nice, easy. Finger out until you're ready. Okay, magazine out. Clear your gun. Shoot out. Holster.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
There you go.
9 and 7. So we are done with the shooting, and my friend went to clean his gun, and I'm in this accessory shop of this shooting range, and it's full of stuff. It's like something new that I'm seeing over here. I haven't been any closer to uh, a gun that is also without safety. The last time when I tried a gun was in Vietnam. That was, I think, in 2019. But that was attached to a stand. So basically, you just go there and pull the trigger. It's like very safe. But over here, it was real stuff. Like you are shooting real bullets without any safety. The only safety is your instructors, who will tell you like what to do, when to do, and all those stuff. Let me show you around this shop. So guys, I'm back into my hostel, and it was an amazing experience to shoot those guns and do some target practicing. I actually felt like I learned something about the guns, about like how to handle the gun, um, and tons of things. Like basically the practical stuff, like how to aim at particular object or target. It was a fun time, and when I went there, I was pretty much nervous because it's just the what do you say? At back of your mind, it's like you are always scared about these things like guns and bullets and all those things, because since the very beginning you have been told that these things are dangerous. But after shooting like couple of rounds, I I got quite comfortable with the gun, and yeah, I had my friend as well as an instructor with me who gave me the briefing before I started shooting the real rounds, and it was fun. Yeah. So probably if I ever come again next time in Bangkok, I might participate in some certification course. Um, so apart from this thing, I think there are tons of things which you can do, like visit some temples and some markets, night markets, and have have a good time partying in Bangkok. But I have done everything during my last visit to Bangkok. It was in 2019, and I'm not interested in doing those things again. Like I've had enough of temples, and I've seen the markets, and did hell of a parties. Had a quite good time doing parties last time when I was over here. Yeah, shooting guns was like one of my plans, and one of the thing which I wanted to do in Bangkok this time. Unfortunately, it's not for everyone. It is not for tourists at all. So next, I think I might go and visit some floating market. Maybe, I'm not sure. If I do, then I will definitely show you the markets, that those floating markets of Bangkok. And if not, then I might head to the next destination in Thailand, and I will show you around like what I did in those places. So until then, stay tuned to the channel.
The next day.
Today is day 2 in Bangkok. um, I don't have anything to do today, so today I'm going for some exotic cafe over here. And by exotic cafe, I mean they are quite unique. One of them is a reptile cafe, and the second one is a rabbit cafe. So these cafes are having these animals, and people can go over there, have some food and drinks, and also interact with these animals. So let's go to this cafes and see what it's like. So Adika, open. Maybe after some time.
Let me show you this one, MBK,
This is
but this one is time for shading.
sorry.
Shade, they're gonna be bigger.
Okay.
When they're gonna shade, the eye will be like this.
Okay. So it's going to get bigger.
Yes.
Okay.
And next, banana color. For spider, we have to move it and play with it very, very slow and quiet. Cái này hả?
เขาแต่มันไม่กัดนะแค่คุยอย่างเดียว
It's very popular to pet them and stuff them when they pass away. Just stuff. It's beautiful. This is boy and this is girl.
And how do you differentiate that?
No horn.
Okay, from the horn. Okay.
Do you have any of reptile at home?
I have rabbits.